Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share a free new must watch or must join free Shopify course that is fully relevant AI, and it actually help you to automate your business. So if you are a Shopify user, or if you have started your online business with Shopify, or you want to start with Shopify, then you must have to watch this video and you must have to join this course because it's fully free. And if you ask about this course quality, then I can say confidently it's top class quality because it's in Shopify Academy, and that's when you're going to get best quality tutorials or course in free without any cost. And also, if you are Shopify learner, you want to become a Shopify developer like me, then you have to watch this video and join this course. And you see right now I am on the Shopify Academy, and here is the course Shopify Flow Fundamental, building powerful automation for a store. So this is basically Shopify store automation, and it's 100% free, and that's why I recommend this course to start or join all of the Shopify user, Shopify learner. And here is the three basic section. Section 1, article, why automation is essential for e-commerce. If I want to explain, then I can talk a lots of about it, or I have to discuss for a long time to share a lots of information about this. And another section is course, the anatomy of Shopify Flow workflow. This is basically relevant directly this flow. And the third section, building a workflow with Shopify Flow. So I recommend to join this course and start it. The first section you can complete within 8 minutes, and the second section it will not take 1 hour, just within 30 minutes you can complete this course, and the final one or last one 45 minutes. So I hope you understand that it will not take too much time to complete this course, but you can learn a lots of things that is very helpful to use your store to make automate your store. And as a Shopify learner, you must have to watch this video and complete this course and learn everything in deeply. So I hope you understand why you should join this course and how it will be helpful for you. So here is the link. I'll share the course link in the video description so that you can easily join this course and you can start learning. So thank you so much for your time to join this video. If you think this information is helpful, then you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get more tutorials, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and save the video. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button. So have a nice day. Bye bye.